Yo, what is good everybody? It is Sam from Antidote Audio. Today I got a cheeky Serum 2 freebie for you. Because in less than a week's time I'll be dropping a brand new, massive Serum 2 preset pack called Radium. And I thought, you know what? I want to give you a sneak peek before we drop it. And I'll give you the sneak peek for free. Got Radium here and yeah, there's just, anyway. But yeah, Radium Beta. Keywords to help break this down. FG is foghorns, FR is frogs, GR is growls, MISC is miscellaneous, RH is like rhythmic sounds, RS are respace sounds, TN for tone, and WUB for WUB. So yeah, the following will be free and in the beta pack. Absolutely brutal foghorn there. Let's head over to the clip and see this in a practical example. Frog sound, you know, the classic. I'm not even gonna try beatbox that, we'll just play it. All these presets come with a few macros as well. That's gotta be one of my favorites. Pulse down, this is for miscellaneous stuff. This is great for fills, so. Anticipate, this is a personal favorite. Just that little echo in the background is so cheeky. Yeah, let's hit the clip. Just imagine that with a few D&B drums behind it. Actually, speaking of D&B, we've kind of been playing around with 174 BPM, but it's presets. We can go any BPM, which is great. 150. Let's hear the clip instead of my atrocious playing. Cheeky little rhythm or trap, I guess, depending on what you're feeling. So sick. Respace, can't go wrong. Like kind of normal. Absolutely savage. Kind of inspired by that Camo and Crooked sound, but just a little bit more crackhead energy, I'd say. Because it's not as clean. Oh, look, that's such a clean and pure sound. Nah. Absolutely distort that shit. Maybe we should go back to 174 for this. I will say there's quite a few jump up tones in the actual pack, so yeah. Anyways. Macro controls on the clips as well, a bit more modulation, but more. These are just like suggestions so you can tweak these little macros and manipulate the sound in weird and wonderful ways. Bass house, gotta drop this to 128. And let's hit the clip. Yeah, boy. That's just disgusting, isn't it? And the final one for this beta pack, WUB Zoo. And that is the beta pack. To get this for free, link in the comments or link in the description. And we'll also notify you when the full version of Radium comes out, which will be in less than a week. Or you might be watching this video and the full pack's already out, so yeah. Thank you guys for watching. Hopefully you enjoy these absolute manic Serum 2 presets. And I'll see you guys with the full release very soon. Have a great day. Peace!